Welcome to T3Medium.com. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can create an AWS account. Before getting started, please make sure that you must have a valid email address, a phone number, and a credit card to proceed with the sign-up process. From Google, open the AWS website. Click on Create a Free Account. Fill in your details: an email address, a password, and name of your AWS account. In my case, it's Kids Medium just for the sake of this example. Click Continue. Choose your account type as personal and fill in your contact information. You must provide a valid working cell phone number, as you will receive a verification code on your provided number at the end of sign-up process. Click Create Account and Continue. Fill in your credit card information. Please make sure that you must have some amount in your credit card, as AWS will deduct $1 to verify it. Click on Verify and Add. Confirm your identity by providing the same phone number to activate your account. AWS will send you an SMS to verify your phone number. Click Send SMS. Enter your verification code and click on Verify Code. You will receive a notification that your identity has been verified. Click Continue. Select your plan as Basic Plan. Select Sign In as root user. Enter your email you have used to create your AWS account. Click Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. You will be redirected to AWS dashboard with your account name at right top corner. Congratulations! You have successfully created your AWS account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We will be soon uploading more tutorials in this series. Until then, take care and have a nice day.